everyone, so I have all these Harry Potter books, and what we're going to do today is that we're gonna choose one book. I'm gonna choose the first book, and we're going to draw every illustrations that we like. And first of all, I like Hogwarts, so we're gonna draw that. With only rule that we're going to use a green pen and no eraser at all. We're going straight for this. So the castle is on a mountain hill, but we're going to draw it on a flat land so that थोड़े से मुझे elongated रखना था. That's why we're going to make it on a flat ground. So this is the finished sketch, guys, and let's move forward what we can draw next. Let's open this magical book together, guys. Oh my god, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. This book consists of our whole childhood. It exposed us to this world, and mixing it together with another best thing that I have in my life is truly magical, guys. And I'm very happy that I'm doing this. So I chose to draw those wizards starting to. And I forgot to tell you guys that I've also used a little bit of green watercolors, just like a light wash to enhance some of the features. I know guys कि ये अभी कुछ खास अच्छे लग नहीं रहे, but trust me guys, just trust me, it's going to turn out good. I think so, it will turn out good. They look acceptable. Let's just move forward and look for something else that we can draw. Okay, wow, these cats, guys, they're so cute. Let's just draw one. I'm not quite a cat lover, but I do find them cute. So yeah, let's just draw him. इसने वो भी पहना है, तो yeah, we have to draw him. And I've also added the frame, guys. So yeah, let's move forward. What we have. Who is our next victim? Ooh, I really like this floating letters. Let's just draw it. And I'm thinking I draw it there because I want to draw something that crosses the two pages. So yeah, let's draw it at the corner. Let's move to the next pages and find something else. Okay, let's draw this owl. Oh guys, I made a mistake. I didn't leave space for the feathers. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to reverse it and we'll draw here. Okay, let's just draw it. And guys, I'm finding it very calming because with no pressure of making something perfect or look realistic, it just calms your mind, resets your brain, and also gives time to practice freehandly as what you can do. So I think you should also try it because it resets your mind and it's actually quite enjoyable. So for the middle part, I'm drawing the train. And I feel like the whole page is turning into Slytherin because it looks so green. By the way, guys, in which house you all are in? I'm in Ravenclaw, by the way. So we go Ravenclaws. And here I am drawing the smoke with some squiggling lines crossing over the bridge of the sketchbook. And yeah, I think it looks magical by adding some dots. So this is the finished sketch, and what I have done is that I've added some trees and I also extended the bridge because it was looking good. So yeah, I did that. And let's move forward कि और क्या बना सकते हैं हम लोग आगे. Wow, this illustration, guys. I would really like to paint that one day. And okay, in this page, let's find one to draw. Yeah, that one. He looks so cute, I guess. So let's just draw him. And see, guys, I've also used some magical powers to increase my speed so that I could draw him in no time. I'm also wizard now, so tell me, where is my letter to Hogwarts? I need to go there, learn some more magic so that I could destroy Voldemort one day. Okay, enough of blabbering. Let's just find something else to draw. And what we have? Ooh, the Sorting Hat. Let's just draw him as well, because the Sorting Hat will tell us where we'll go in the Hogwarts, which house do we get. I mean, I'm already in Ravenclaw, so I'm already sorted, but we'll get sorted again just for the confirmation, because why not? Having some thrill in life is absolutely necessary. Okay, here is our Sorting Hat. Some food, and let's just find something else to draw. Ooh, Fluffy. Moving along. Yeah, let's just draw the golden snitch and some sparkles to make it magical. Yeah, that's look perfect. Okay, let's just find something to draw there. And okay, no. Yeah, so let's draw this dragon, and what we're gonna do is we'll draw his head only because there is not much space to add his entire body. Adding some green watercolor here, and what I was thinking of adding this star all over the page to make it more magical. So here is the whole sketch, guys, and I absolutely love that I added stars all over the page, because it just makes it look cohesive and add the magic that was needed. So guys, if you like this sketch, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.